Hey guys, it's Miss Roach. I'm here to show you how to import a background image from Google into your Tynker show. I'm going to first sign in to Tynker. So I'm going to click sign in. I'm a teacher. At this point you're going to click student, but I'll click teacher and then I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Once my screen opens, I'm going to come over to the left side on the dashboard and I'm going to click on create a new project that's blank. When my screen opens, I'm going to delete the monster by clicking the X. It's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to delete the actor. I'm going to click yes. And then I'm going to rename my project Explorer. And then I'm going to save. From here, I'm going to go find an image that I want as a background. I hear you are looking for an explorer's route, but I'm going to open a new tab here and I'm going to look for a racetrack. I'm going to make sure I'm looking for images. I'm going to find one that I like. I'm going to two-finger click on the image, save image as, and I'm going to call this racetrack. On your Chromebook, it'll just be saved into your Chromebook at this point. So you'll go back to your project. You will click on the settings icon on the stage right down here. So I'll click on the settings icon. I will click add a background. I don't want one of their backgrounds though, so I'm going to come up to the right hand side and I'm going to look for this button. This means import. I'm going to import a picture that I have saved as racetrack. It now will go into my show and I will save my show.